All right, time to make my own mimic board for the MAR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. So here is the schematic. Oops, there we go. So in and out, it's real simple. In and out, some grounds, inductor, resistor, capacitors for filtering, yada yada. And some mounting holes. Let's see here. Let's go to the layout. And let's see here. Let's turn dog off. Very, very simple. I'm using the template, not the template, the footprint that I made for the device. You can see how that works here. And last time I did a board like this, people complained about the DC path for biasing this thing, that I had too wide of a trace, and I completely agree. So I have a nice narrow trace here that kind of adds to the inductance and makes sure that the RF goes this way and not goes up and down. And this is how it's laid out. And I think it turned out pretty good. Let's do a view, 3D viewer. And here we go. I don't have any 3D template for the MAR part, but that's what it will look like. And IMSAI dog on the back. All right. So let's send these out to PCBWay, have them built, and see how they work.
A few moments later.
All right. Thanks to PCBWay for supplying PC boards on the channel. They always give us good units. And we have boards. Already opening them up. And we have a solder stencil. So that will be good. Let's take a look at the boards. And I had 20 boards made. These are little thin jobbers. These are 0.8 millimeters thick, and they are IMSAI dog approved. Let's make sure that IMSAI dog's okay with them. All right, I think he likes them. And then we have a solder stencil, and that will be used. Very, very simple solder stencil, but I thought, why not? Get these all loaded up, because I'm going to make a bunch of them. I'm going to make one. Initially, I'm going to make one each of the different types, the MAR 1, 2, 3, whatever. I've got 8 all the way up to 8. So those are looking good. And we'll need to get some loaded up. So I did go to the store. I love the comments I get when I go to this store. People say it's like going to a fictitious fairyland. Nobody has these stores anymore. And I got a bunch of resistors of the right values. These MAR parts you require a certain current into them, and each part is a little bit different. So I have different values here for 12 volts, depending on the voltage you put into also. So these are all for different parts. These are the recommended values for 12 volts. So different 226, 412, 133, 536, different current settings. And while you're at the store, you always see things that you don't need and you buy. But these seem to be pretty handy. Let's see. Oh, I bought these two up for the board. I bought these 3.3 microhenries. I'm going to load those on the board. They aren't required, but I always like to have a inductor in series there. So I'll add these to the thing. And then in a grab bag, I found some dollar bags. This dollar bag was 10 microfarads at 10 volts, 0603s. So teeny tiny. That's kind of fun. And these guys were, I found these also. We can try these a little bit different. These are also 3.3 microhenries, but at 16 ohms. So these are a different Q factor. The ones that I got are only like 1 ohm. So 1 ohm is better. So, but these were $1, so I bought those while I was there. So let's figure this out, get some loaded up, and give them a try.